So we just figured out, well, we figured out like 2 years ago that there's like a little place down here, and we're gonna go to it. It's blocked off by cars. Cars can't go down here. I don't know if there's a serial killer down here or what, but we'll see. It's kind of nice. I'll walk slow at one.
This place is trash. That's really too bad.
A lot of trash down here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like trash everywhere.
Hey dude, I do not want you dropping my phone in water, okay?
Okay. Whoa. Oh, it's like a tropical forest down here. Holy frick, there's a lot of red ants down here. Dad? Oh, you're right. There's a little, wait, hold up. What's over here? What the frick? I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like a little opening. Dad, I think you might need to come over here. Yo, there's like a, no joke, but like, it's like a cave here. Frick. God. Okay. I wouldn't usually let myself do this, but it's the entrance to the back rooms, if you guys didn't know. It's the real entrance. All y'all saying is in North Carolina. What? Yeah? Frick, my dad's somewhere. Can't find him. Dad! Okay. Yo, there's a sewer. There's like a sewer down there. Frick, that was a bee.
Yeah, they cut down a lot of trees down here. That was good.
Why?
Just cause you don't want like people camping out down here.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
It's a trash place. Look at it. Look at how much litter is around here.
Yo, Dad. Once you get like deeper into that part, it gets really deep.
Yeah, man, they cut down a lot of trees in here.
I'm surprised the HOA even knows about this place.
Oh, it does, I'm sure. So much garbage.
Yo, this is actually sketch.
Morning, dog.
What?
Alright.
We heading back?
Yeah, it looks like it's pretty thick. And to be honest, I don't want to have to drag snacks all over the place.
Okay. That's it for today's video, guys.
Come on, snacks.